With another one. This is one of my first guitars that I ever bought for myself. I bought it back, I think, in 1994. This is not the original guitar, and I think I talked about it in the restore video, but it is a GTX33 made by Kamen, which is the offshoot company of Ovation. So Kamen is the kind of the Squire version of the Ovation company. I think it was Korean made. I'm not 100% sure, but don't quote me on this. But anyways, these guitars were probably about $350, maybe 400 tops back then. And I just fell in love with the color. And I can't remember, I think it was at Discount Music in Atlanta when I got it, way back when. But anyways, I sold the original, and that person that got it from me, he ended up selling it to someone else, or not selling it, but loaning it, and it disappeared forever. So whoever has my original one with the Seymour Duncans right here, you know who you are. You took it. You stole it. Anyways, I bought this one off of Reverb a few years back, and I just now got around to restoring it. I redid the entire fretboard. Kept the original pickups, because I was lucky, because when I didn't know what I was doing when I was a kid, I thought these pickups were crap. And a lot of people would think they're crap, and I don't know why the original person didn't replace it. He did replace this pickup, but the pickup that he put in there was not F-spaced. It was a little bit tight. It didn't have as much power as I'd like it to, so I had this one laying in the box from an old guitar. I put this one in there. It is F-spaced, and it's perfect. So restored the whole thing. It's ready to go. This is a coil split for the bridge, and then everything else is the same. So let me just go ahead and give you a run through of the tones. I've already recorded a couple demos. This is just a really quick pass through real amp and get real sound here. So, alright, so this is just the crunch channel with low gain. Split with the middle, or yeah. Just the middle. Favorite position, which are these two pickups, which I'm so glad I kept. And this is just the neck pickup. Throw it into some distortion without decline. Bitchin' guitar. A lot better if I finally restore this thing. And that is that, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya.